Heh. I am going to pull the fire alarm.
Hey, Classic Lincoln Loud, what are you doing near the fire alarm? Are you trying to pull the fire alarm? You better tell me the truth, and if you lie, we'll be telling on the teacher.
Uh-oh. It's Linka Loud, it looks like I am screwed big time.
Yeah, that is right, Classic Lincoln Loud, how dare you try to pull the fire alarm here at the school?
Well, I tried to pull the fire alarm, because my teacher always gives bad grades.
You know what? For trying to pull the fire alarm, I will be telling on the teacher.
What?
Linka Loud, why are you in my classroom? I thought school was already over.
Well, Mrs. Salter, you won't believe what Classic Lincoln Loud just tried to do.
Ugh, not him again. What did she do now?
Well, when school was over, I saw Classic Lincoln Loud try to pull the fire alarm.
Wait a minute, he did what? Oh my goodness, I can't believe Classic Lincoln Loud tried to pull the fire alarm, and for this, I will call his parents. Now you can go home now.
Linka Loud, good job for stopping Classic Lincoln Loud when he was about to pull the fire alarm at school, and for this, you are ungrounded forever.
You can now do whatever you want.
Yahoo! Thank you, Mom and Dad.
Anytime.